So hi, how are you?
Hi, good.
I'm Rashmi. I'm a freelance anchor and a voiceover artist. So I just came here to explore this particular studio, and it's a school. So I love the place. Could you just explain like how are you and how is your teaching here?
This is my first day.
Okay.
So I just joined.
Okay.
Just doing some formalities.
Right. Okay. Nice. So what subject are you taking? Like anything specific as
I
such?
joined as a HOD direction.
Wonderful.
Teaching direction and school.
Okay. All right. So all the very best. Thank you. Sir, ನೀವೇನಾರ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಾ?
No, we just want to. There's a film school in Bangalore.
Okay.
It's Henry Prasad College of Media Studies.
Right.
So we train students
Yes,
for the full-time program. They're looking for a diploma.
Okay.
Then we have a diploma program in digital filmmaking.
Huh.
We also facilitate weekend programs for working
Okay.
professionals.
Okay.
So that happens predominantly on weekends.
Okay.
We have a 10 weekend program in filmmaking. We have 12 weekend program in cinematography. And we also have a 10 weekend program in acting.
Okay.
So as Ms. Uttana has joined us, we'll be also having a program in directions and screenplay writing.
All right. All right. So can you train me as a voiceover artist in future?
Obviously, we'll have those programs here also.
Okay. Sure. Thank you for this opportunity.
ಫುಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್, ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಹದ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಬೇಗನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಬಟನ್ ಒತ್ತೋದನ್ನ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲವ್ ಯು ಆಲ್, ಬಾಯ್.